Hey guys, welcome on in. It is Tuesday, May 12th, and today you're going to be learning about Walt Disney. Now, for this lesson, there are 3 separate learning tasks. Task 1 is to read the daily learning target, which says, I can practice close reading and citing textual evidence to support my answers. So that's going to be our focus for the lesson. And task 2 says, read the paired passage article set. Now, the directions are to read both articles in preparation for the quiz at the end of the lesson. And I do highly recommend that you take the quiz immediately after you finish your reading because the information is going to be fresh in your memory. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to point out is the article set. The 2 articles are listed below. Article 1 is about Walt Disney. Article 2 is about celebrating the 60 years of Disneyland. So if you guys see Article 1, it's got all the information you need to know about Walt Disney. Now, Article 2 is the one that focuses on Disneyland. And once again, it's all embedded into this webpage right here. So you have easy access to the information. Now, once you get down to task 3, you're going to click on the link like you always do to access the quiz. And we're going to enter the quiz so I can show you what it looks like. Now, there's multiple choice questions for the most part. However, toward the end of the quiz, there's some true false, and there's also some questions that ask you to check all that applies. So that means there can be multiple answers in here. And what that means is you might have 3 boxes. You might have 4 boxes that you check. You might only have a couple of boxes that you check. It depends on which answers are actually correct. Now, if you need to verify any of your answers, it is open resource. As you can see, the article set is provided here, and it's also provided here. So if you don't know the answers, go back, skim through, find your answers. And same thing applies to the previous questions, okay? So you can find the article set down below to check and verify your answers, and I highly recommend doing that so that you can get a max score. All right, thanks for tuning in. Good luck today, and we'll see you back tomorrow.